Hey guys, so today I've got a Cures and Curses secret satchel to show you, but it's actually November's box. So it only arrived a couple of weeks ago and it didn't arrive in the usual packaging. Something was broken and when I opened it, it kind of just seemed a bit off. So I did contact the people from Cures and Curses to see if they sent it in the original packaging, and they said yes. So what I think happened is the postage company has somehow damaged the box, not realised it had glass inside it, repackaged it into just a mailing bag, which is like a plastic bag. Obviously the glass item has smashed. The print has like mud on it. So no idea what went on with this package, but it was posted out to me months ago and it's only just come different than it was sent. So somewhere in the middle, it's been broken and repackaged, and they've just posted it on to me as if nothing's ever happened. They didn't put a note in here, they didn't say they'd repackaged it, nothing like that. They've just been a little sneaky. So, very late, I apologise, but I'm going to show you anyway because it's not Cures and Curses' fault that this arrived to me late. So if you haven't seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's $29.95. I do have a 10% off coupon code, which is Luna10, so I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well in case you want to go and check them out. But like I said, this is November's Autumn Night secret satchel. They come with a little sheet which has what's in the box on there, and then on the back we have a lunar phases and like some bits of information. So I will hold that up just in case anyone does want to pause and read it or write it down. Then next we have our print, very cute little witchy print this month. Like I say, it is a little crumpled and dirty and stuff, but that's definitely not on Cures and Curses. That is on Hermes, so yeah, not recommending the Hermes delivery right now. But this is our cute little book print for the month. And then, like I said, when this arrived, it was full of bits of glass. The only thing that I can see on the sheet is an affirmation jar, so I'm assuming that's what got broken. It says, fill your affirmation jar with strips of paper containing positive messages and reminders of things that make you feel good, cleansed with chips of clear quartz. So the first thing we have are these little bits of paper. Again, I'm going to assume that is from out of the jar. It was like quite a large glass thing, so I guess that's your paper for the jar. Then we have a book, which is really cool. So this is The Witch's Book of Self-Care. It says magical ways to pamper, soothe and care for your body and spirit. It is just a normal book. It says, inside you'll explore ways to reconnect with yourself and honour your spiritual and emotional health. Call upon the energies of natural objects such as herbs, stones and the elements to care for yourself spiritually. Discover activities to help find balance and recharge, and try meditations designed to help you get in touch with yourself again spiritually and otherwise. So that is our cute little book that we got. Then next we have some Autumn Nights Herbal Loose Tea. It says it's a blend of hibiscus, rosehip, apple and orange pieces, and it creates a warming and fruity flavour perfect to warm your heart as the nights grow darker. Now, I'm not going to open this because I don't really like loose leaf tea and I don't want to, like, you know, contaminate it for anyone else. I'll probably end up giving this to my mum. She loves stuff like this. But it does sound pretty nice though, apple and orange. So if you're into tea, we have the Autumn Nights Loose Leaf Tea. Then next we've got a Crescent Moon Terracotta Incense Plate. So I will open this and show you what it looks like. So that's what this looks like. It's just a little terracotta pot sort of plate. Has a hole in the middle so that your incense can stand in there. And it's got a crescent moon and a little star, like 3D on there as well. And to go with that, we also have some incense sticks. These ones are Nagchampa Silver Spirit. These are one of my favourite ones. I'm not massively into incense sticks, and living in this apartment, any little bit of smoke or steam or anything sets the alarm off, so I just can't use them here. But they do smell amazing, and you can put them in like little jars and stuff without them being lit to kind of give off the scent as well, a bit like a reed diffuser. So I have done that a couple of times. That is our incense. Then next we just have a little white tapered candle. Could be used for anything really, just decoration or if you do spells and stuff. We have one of their big jar candles. This one is Autumn Nights Soy Candle, and it's a luxurious blend of 100% pure essential oils, sweet orange, bergamot, frankincense and cedarwood to fill your altar space with autumnal scents. And it has little bits on here. It's like a woodwick one. Again, a little bit damaged. I'm assuming that's from the stupid post, but still obviously usable. Oh, I'm dropping bits of herbs everywhere. Oh, that's a really weird smell actually. Very different. I've never really smelled anything like that before. So it's nice. It's like fruity and stuff, but it's really unusual. I think it's maybe the orange is really like a fresh orange kind of scent. So that is our candle. And then we've got 2 items left. So the first one is some moon water. It's in this little metal jar, and it says charged under the full hunter's moon, 20th of October 21, which is really cool. Moon water can be used for rituals, spell work, brewing magical potions and elixirs, healing, cleansing, manifestation and much more. So literally just some water. I don't think it smells of anything. I can't show you because it's literally right up to the very top here. But it's just moon charged water under the full hunter's moon, so that's cool. And then the last thing we have is our gemstone or crystal for the month, and this one is a nice big chunk of selenite. Super flashy, as you can see. It's like a palm stone. It's smooth. I think it's reflecting so much you can't even really see it that well, but yeah, that is our selenite. So that was everything in the November Cures and Curses secret satchel. Like I said, one of the items was broken, so I apologise to Cures and Curses. It wasn't their fault, it was the post. No idea why it arrived to me this late in a different bag with mud and broken items and stuff. Definitely not their fault, but it was a really cute box though. I will hold everything up and show you it all again. So we had the print. I'm not going to keep hold of this because I don't want to damage it, but this was the print. Then we had our Witch's Book of Self-Care, the Autumnal Nights Herbal Loose Leaf Tea, the Silver Spirit Incense Sticks, the little Terracotta Crescent Moon Incense Plate, the white tapered candle, the selenite palm stone. We do have the paper from the smashed bottle, so I'll put it on here just to remind us of the glass bottle that was supposed to be in here. The Autumnal Nights Soy Candle, and the moon water charged under the full hunter's moon. So all of these items in the November Cures and Curses secret satchel. Like I said, I'll put all the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out, and you'll have to let me know what you thought of this box, if you liked it or not. Hopefully you liked the video. If you're not already, then please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.